But yeah, so system level, preventative practices. So, this is just stuff to do if you have a fleet, if you're selling fleets, but regular load testing. So again, I know we saw them there. You saw seasonally or when the truck came in for an oil change or brakes or maintenance. But I think once every 3 months is probably a good time to go out and give your batteries a load test, give them a voltage read, each single one on the terminal, turn the truck on, get voltage read, you know, uh, get the RPMs up to see what the alternator output is to check the entire system. Voltage drop audits. So again, have a voltmeter out there or like a digital battery, not a digital battery tester, but a digital battery reader. So you can sometimes get the Bluetooth one. You can hook it up to your phone and you can see what the voltage is doing. Turn the truck on, see how far the voltage drops when you turn over the engine. And then again, just simple battery rotation and equalization. So I know it's a pain in the butt, but this is now, yeah, this is also something if you have a standby system at home. Every now and then, you're going to want to take the batteries that are on the end of the string, put them in the middle of the string, bring the ones in the middle out. Because at the end of the day, even if you have the proper system, unless they're running on bus bars, one battery is going to be working harder than the other. So rotate the batteries around in the string. That should also help you get a little bit longer battery life.